Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 9th of February. This is our weekly recap. It goes out for free. Anybody wants to join us, come on over to smartoptiontrading.com, link in description below, and you can sign up and join us at live trading alerts. Let's talk about this week here as the market is just coming off a new all-time high of 501.65. The SPY finally hit 500. Yay. There was much rejoicing. The truth is this market doesn't want to give a fraction of an inch. Every time we get any kind of down candle like this, like on the Fed last week, it gets immediately gapped up and bought back. And right now the trend is up. Is this a healthy market? It's debatable. I would say it's not, but it is the market we have, and it continues to give money and find ways to make money in this market. Everybody wants a pullback, and the market doesn't want to give one, and that just kind of continues here as we go forward. You have a very sharp, overall rate of decline of extension here on the SPY. And here we are at 401.65, and the Bollinger Bands are curling up and everything is moving up with it. So you take the action, you trade what you have, and we have a nice move up here and a new all-time high as we go into a new week next week. Overall, the market's not heated, it's not extended. It's just been running for a long time. When you think what's moving the market, it's been a lot of the same names. You have SMCI to a new all-time high here, 745. This thing has just gone absolutely ballistic since they pre-guided up from 310 to 745. Kind of insane. You have Nvidia, another one here, a new all-time high today, 720. You're going to hear a lot of the same names here. Microsoft, a new all-time high today, 420.46. Meta, not yet, not participating, but holding in. Amazon woke up today, broke above the earnings high to 175. You have another $13 to its all-time high. Google woke up today and went running back into its earnings gap. Nice breakout and go. And not far from filling that gap. And here's its all-time high at 153 and change. What else? Tesla broke above the 8-day for the first time in over a month yesterday. Got a little bit of an extension today. We'll keep an eye on this into next week with that 196.43 and that gap sitting there. Apple continues to not participate in this market. Excuse me. AMD pushed up today, but not really participating like the other names, remains weak and out of play. The rest of the market is pretty much asleep. While the banks are holding tight, there's not much going on there. Energy had a nice little pop and then gave it all back here today. The IWM has woke up and is breaking into the top of this range. That is good to see. So some good action starting to show up there. And, we've had some other names participating here. When you look what's going on, we had earnings this week, and you had names like Disney woke up, gave a nice trade here, an inside candle. Big one there. ARM had a incredible report. FYI, their forward P&E is now running higher, twice as high as NVIDIA's. So you get the idea of how big some of these names have moved. Palantir had a huge move all the way up into the 25 area here. Nice move there. I've covered my stock with some calls at this point and the April 26s, and we'll see how this trades out. But overall, the market's holding in well, and it's fine. Netflix continues to look good on the daily chart, just can't get free. And, that's where we're at here. The market is playing with very specific names. It is the big tech names. It is the AI trade. By the way, speaking of AI, they had a nice move this week. And everything else is kind of, we're not so interested except for crypto. We had a nice move on Bitcoin this week, breaking out. Coin pushed up above the 50-day for a bit. Mara also had a nice day today. Look at this nice move back up in Riot. Bitcoin here trading just shy of the 52-week high. So I'll do charts on Sunday morning before the Super Bowl quickly for you guys, and then we'll get out there, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the big game. Go teams. I love football. I love the games. I don't have an actual real interest and care who wins this game. Otherwise, other than I'm going to enjoy the last football game for me until September. With that, have a great weekend. If you want to join us, link in description below. Thank you, everybody. And for everybody in the room, catch live in the morning on Monday at 9 a.m.